Welcome, my friends. This is Melody Johnson with Sizzle Serve Yum, where I have transitioned from the ketogenic diet all the way to carnivore. So, how have I been doing on it? Wonderful. This is day 31, so I'm doing fabulous. All right. Question of the day, another one. What can I eat on the carnivore diet? What a great question. You can eat any meat you want. So if you want chicken, if you want turkey, if you want beef, if you want pork, if you want deer, venison, you can have that too. As long as it's all meat that's available in your region that's legal, of course, you can eat it. No carbs are allowed. No processed food. No fruits, no vegetables, no seed oils. That means no olive oil, guys. No extra virgin olive oil, no coconut oil. I've been there, no peanut oil. Let's see, and no avocado oil. Okay, so none of those oils. Those are gonna mess you up. And in fact, sometimes some of these oils that come to us are rancid. Yes, some of them are rancid. I remember reading a whole article on it. If I find it, I'll put it in the description. But stay away from those oils. You won't need it when you're cooking. What you can do is you could use if you like bacon, you can use the leftover grease from your bacon to kind of use as an oil to cook with. You can also use ghee. You can use ghee, and you can also use butter. So my thing, I've been using the bacon grease and I've been using the butter to help me out to get the extra fat in my diet. All right, so now you know all the foods that you can eat on a carnivore diet. I will tell you really quick some really cheap cuts of meat that you can get to be able to stretch for a few days if you can get them on sale. The first one is going to be short ribs. If you can find some short ribs, you can do really good with searing them, placing them in an Instant Pot, and just cook it till it's falling off. The meat is falling off the bone. And let me tell you, it's very satisfying. Keep the bone. Don't throw it away, because you could use the bone for a bone broth for yourself later, which is going to be fabulous to drink in between meals. And it's also great for like your skin, hair, and nails. It's got collagen in it, and that is going to, of course, make you look beautiful. All right. So, all right, we talked about short ribs. You can get cube steak. That's usually a really cheap cut of steak that's thin. And that's if it's in your budget. Sometimes I find them as low as $4 and it has like 5 steaks in it. But I'm going to tell you another bonus on how you can do that. If you go to your supermarket early, sometimes they have the manager special. They may have too much meat on hand, so then they reduce it and it makes people want to buy it. Or if it's about to go bad, it's like 2 or 3 days, away from the expiration date, you'll see that maybe yellow sticker. So look out for the manager's specials that they have in the store. All right. The next tip that I have that you can use is ground beef and ground turkey. And you can also get this with a higher percentage of fat. I use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it is the best thing in the world. It's the best thing in the world because, one, you can make little bowls out of it. If you want to just have it loose ground turkey or ground beef, you can do that. Or you can throw an egg on top of it, and you can make all these little meals. So that's it for the tips for the day. I hope that you enjoyed this short series. Make sure you like and subscribe. And of course, drop a comment below. What is the cheapest cut of meat that you like to buy on the carnivore diet? Make sure you're sharing this to someone that wants to be a carnivore. And of course, I will see you in the next video. Go ahead and click up there for the next video.